Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm in Bang Yai, just across the road from Westgate there. What we're going to do today, we're going to head over there, IKEA. Let's go guys. So it's probably been about 2 years since I've been out this way. There was a big blue building there, Big King, that's gone. And there used to be a big C right over there. That's gone also. Anyway, let's get in there because this traffic is really noisy. Let's get in there as well. Feels weird being back in this area. I spent a lot of time in this area a few years ago. Yeah, I wonder if it's still the same in the mall. At the supermarket downstairs and stuff. We're going to check it out. I won't bore you with that though. I'll just bore you with the food. Correct me if I'm wrong, but this mall is one of the biggest ones in Southeast Asia. It's absolutely huge. I remember the first time I ever came here. It goes around in a big circle. It's quite easily to get lost. Anyway, it still looks the same in here. Nothing's really changed. If we walk down this way, we can head towards IKEA. They still have the street food down here. That's not changed. Tell you what, this is quite a busy mall for a Monday. Here it is. I'll tell you what, it seems really, really busy. Really busy. Right, we need to head straight to the restaurant. This place is like a maze. Really easy to get lost. You see how busy it is. I hope this restaurant's not as busy. Anyway, I'll bring you back when we get to the restaurant. Okay, so we've made it to the restaurant. I bought my family card as well, family member card. So I'm going to try and get a little bit of a discount. It's alright, isn't it? Fish and chips. Oh yeah. Oh, here we go. Look. Hash browns over there. And I've one of them. It's looking alright. Going to have fish and chips with some sausages. Like a nice piece of fish, yeah. Needed. Looking all right, isn't it? Look what I found over here. Might as well have some garlic bread as well. I think I'm going to skip with the hash browns. They do look good. And around here, some chicken. Shaped like a horse. Chicken sausage. I haven't got enough food though, haven't I? Oh, look at this over here. Cheese sausage. Oh man, if they sell them in the supermarket, I'm going to buy a packet. Downstairs in the basement, I think it's the basement, they do have a little supermarket. So I'm going to pop down there after this. You can come with me if you want. Okay, so that came in at 261 for a lot of food. I saved a bit of money with using my family member card. So what do you reckon for 261 baht? There's a lot, isn't there? Then we've got the tartar sauce on there, chips, broccoli, fish, 2 sausages, 2 fish sticks, and garlic bread. All right, so I've gone and got some tomato sauce for my fish stick. Hopefully this is like a fish finger. These are only 12 baht. That's a bit weird. Don't know what kind of fish that is. It's okay, I suppose. I don't know where to start with that. Probably a sausage first, eh? What do we have on here then? Go for a bit of mayonnaise. I had mayonnaise with chips the other day. Someone said, oh, that's a bit weird, but yeah, I like it. That is a nice sausage. So I'm guessing this one is the spicy one. That cheese sausage looked good though, didn't it? Oh, that looks alright too. I think I prefer that one. Bratwurst, or whatever it's called. A bit of mayonnaise. A bit of broccoli. Now the bit you've all been waiting for, the fish. Now we're going to cut out straight down the middle. Looks alright, doesn't it? Nice fat piece. Oh yeah. Bit of tartar sauce. Not tried these chips yet. Tartar sauce is good. Yeah. 200 baht for all that. I've got a 50 baht discount. Fantastic. Anyway, garlic bread time. I think I'm going to make a chip butty. It's kind of one. Bit of mayonnaise on there. A few of these fries. That's a nice bit of garlic bread. That's a weird fish stick. I nearly forgot about my drink. Lychee water. That's not bad too. Lovely. I can't remember who it was now who said about the chips with mayonnaise is weird. I love it. Whoa, yeah. I think I first had chips with mayonnaise was when I went to Amsterdam. Since then, oh yeah. Bit of tomato sauce on that sausage. Yeah. The fries are kind of okay. Not as good as homemade chips. That was another weird video, or weird comment. Asking if the chips were homemade. You can clearly see the knots. Oh yeah. Anyway. Fish and chips. Tartar sauce. What you could do with this dish, some mushy peas would be good. Ditch for broccoli. Some mushy peas. Alright, let's crack on and eat this. I'll bring you back when it's all gone. We'll go for a walk to the supermarket. I'm proper done in, really full, but you know what? I ain't wasting this. I'll save a bit for last. Oh yeah, get in there. Bosh, how about that? And there we go, IKEA lunch done. Right, let's head down to the supermarket. The easiest way to get down there is in the lift. And the lift is just down here. We call it the lift or elevator. So down here, they even have a little restaurant here where you can get a hot dog. It used to be 15 baht. Let's have a look if it's still the same. We've got ice cream. Yeah, there we go, look. But we are done in right now. That looks alright, Swedish meatballs. So this is the supermarket. Tutti Frutti. Not had them for a long time. 129. Some cookie biscuit things here. 89. Oh, they look alright, don't they? Vanilla and lemon. Then you have your stuff for making your hot dogs. I think they're fried onions, tomato sauce, ketchup, your bread roll, mayonnaise. Is that like the tartar sauce? What we just had with the fish and chips? If it is, it's worth buying that for 69. Over there, we have the hot dog. What I want to do is get some kind of snacks. These look good. But these ones, buy one, get one free. Cheese ones. Why is that cheap? And they're expiring September. Still alright. No idea what this is. Never heard of that before. It looks good though. Quite expensive for a chocolate bar, but I guess they have to pay for the import tax, I'm guessing, yeah? Something like that in 7-Eleven would cost you about 30 or 40 baht. So guys, that is the end of the video. I'm going to have a little bit of a walk around inside the central there, then head back on the train. So, thanks for watching, hit the like button, subscribe button, and I'll catch you in the next one.